Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear search history on YouTube. First of all, we want to open YouTube for this. So, please, on YouTube, after clicking, YouTube will start opening in front of you. Friends, YouTube is open in front of you. Here, you can see we will delete our search history in YouTube. For this, we want to click on the profile button, which is located at the bottom of your mobile screen. So, click on it. After clicking, the profile section will open in front of you. Once it's open, go to the upper right corner of your mobile screen and click on the gear icon. After clicking on the gear icon, settings will start to open for you. Once it's open, here you will see, right here, this is a button of Manage Your History. So, click on it. After clicking, that kind of format will open in front of you. Once it's open, here you can see this is my YouTube history and I want to delete it. For deletion, you will see buttons available right here. The first one is Delete Today, the second one is Delete Custom Range, and the third one is Delete All Time. It means your entire history will be deleted from YouTube. History is deleted, you can see your history is not available. Thank you for watching this video.